Jem, where are you going? Aircon. Where are you going? You are?
May ikon.
Aircon na naman to. Puro aircon. Hello. We are going to Morong, Rizal. Tatay sa Morong, Rizal. Where do you live? Where do you live? In Rizal. Nye. Aircon. Si mukhang aircon naman tong isa. So, pumunta kami sa bahay ni Tito Jeff. Sa Morong, Rizal.
One ikon.
Nagbabay ka sa lola mo, JM? JB, nagbabay ka sa lola mo?
Hindi ka nagpapapasok sa
Ha? Ano?
Hindi ka nagpapapasok sa isang may pasukan sa likod na. Pwede ka umakyat.
It's a bit panaginip, panaginip lang. Ang haba na ng buhok ko, JM. Baby, oh, tingnan mo naman ang hair ni Mama. Ang haba-haba na. Papagupit ako, JB. Ang haba na hair. Habang buhay. Okay, princess. Baby, why are you serious? Javen Marcos, why are you serious? Gina G. Jeff House sa Crystal East.
Nakita mo ba siya pumunta?
Ha?
Nakita mo ba kung bakit siya pumunta?
Oh. Wow. Wow. Hindi tayo sasakay, Jeff. Pupunta tayo sa bahay ni Lolo Jeff. Di ba nagstay tayo doon, Javen? 7 months. Nagstay tayo doon. Tingnan niyo ang view. Tingnan mo ang view, Javen, no? So nice. The clouds. Bakit kasi tayo?
Up,
Akyat.
up,
Yeah, akyat.
Up.
Up tayo, up.
up tayo.
Yes, up tayo.
Up.
We're going up, up, up is on a... No go. Dito, see. Ang init ng panahon. Tingnan mo yung mga banana, oh, namamatay na. Grabe, puro dilaw na yung, brown na yung mga dahon. Baby, windmill.
Pili ko na yung tulong yung Diyos na nakaraan. Hindi niya mag-switch ng guest.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
This is a subdivision.
Oh,
Then this is the
wow.
clubhouse.
Wow.
Wow. Overview.
Wow.
Wow.
We can begin.
Hindi ka sleepy?
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, nag-play tayo dyan, David. Look. This is the...
Wow.
Wow! The view! The view! Laguna Lake and the mountains. Look at the mountains. There, mountains. Mountains and windmill. Where's the windmill? Here, there. Windmill. There. We are here na in Lolo's house. Baba kami? No. Ha? Yes. Baba. Oh, baba. Let's go, baba. Javen Marcus. Baba tayo. Tayo sa bahay ni Tito Lolo Jeff. Javen, let's go out. Hi, cat. This is the house. May nakatira na dyan, boy? May nakatira?
Bakit gumalaw yung sasakyan?
Ito yung bahay ni Tito Lolo. We stayed here like 7 months. Kailangan namin kasi para rentahan niya na to. Ba, yan, ayaw. Close the gate. Oops. Namatay na yung mga flower. Sobrang init dito. Matay na yung mga flower. May mga bagong damo na naman. So, yeah. Dito kami dati nag-stay. Wait, kukunin ko yung PVC ko dito na ginawan ko. Kasi, gata ng sabon. This one, PVC. Let's open the ref. What's inside? Water.
Water.
Yeah, that's water. The ref.
Water.
Oh, it's electric fan. Cooler fan. Yeah, electric fan. Nakita siya ng electric fan doon. Baby, nagstay tayo dito. Oh, daming basahan si Tito. Ano siya mga gamit niya dito? Ang may-ari kasi ng bahay na to is nasa ibang bansa. So, walang nagsistay here. Ang ganda kaya ng bahay na to. So beautiful, halos. This is the CR. CR, hello. Yes. Yes. Madulas, madapa ka na naman dyan ba? Ah, hindi naman pala sila namatay. Akala ko namatay sila.
May moisture.
Ha?
May moisture.
Watering the plants. Kaya nga. Tibay niya. Ha? Kaya nga.
Mama, up. Mama, up.
Saan ka mag-up? Come here, we're tayo outside. Where are you?
Where are you?
My dog ha, my dog.
Over there.
My dog. May bagong tayong bahay. Dati wala yan siyang bahay. So, dati dito kami nag-walking ni JM. Kaso natatakot kaming mag-walking dito. Baka kasi may ahas na lumabas.
What's that?
Kasi madumi, ay madamo to.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? That's the wheels. Wheels.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, papaya tree.
Fire.
Yeah, there's a papaya tree.
Fire.
Dito, Lolo's house. Neighbor's house.
Heart.
Ha?
Up, up, up.
Nako.
Up, up, up.
So, pumunta si Dara dito para magdilig ng halaman. Kasi may mga plants si Tito dito na naiwan. So, watering the plants. Merong Meralco.
What's that? Flower.
Bayad na to.
Oh, what's that?
Ha?
What's that? Papa.
Mm.
What's that?
What's that? It's campfire. Campfire's bear. That's campfire.
What's that?
Huh?
Oh, what's that?
That's grass.
Oh, what's that?
Grass.
Oh, what's that? What's it?
Oh, nahulog na. Your electric bill. So refreshing. Plants and flowers. Refreshing na sila. lang muna for today. Nagdidilig lang ng halaman ng aking husband kasi walang nagdidilig dito sa bahay na to. So, punta-punta lang siya para nagdidilig. JM! So, mamaya magsisimba kami sa Antipolo Church. JM Marcos! Naku, saan na naman to pumunta? Saan pupunta? Upstairs. May multo dun. May multo dun upstairs. Magbabay ka sa vlog natin. Bye-bye! Actually, ang ganda na ng bahay na to for me. The sunset is here. So visible up here in the room. Yeah. Sunset is here. Yeah. You can see the sunset. Sunset here is here. Yung magpapaalam na kami, pero hindi pa pala. Kasi pumunta kami sa upstairs. Ito yung task room. So nice. And then, there's a sunset over there. There's a sunset. Javen, don't touch. Totoo na to. Bye-bye na for today. Visiting Lolo's house in Morong.